What's up, guys? This is Kellen here with Dreamedia Home Theater, and today we're going to be showing you a 114-inch micro LED wall from Samsung. All right, guys, welcome back. I'm going to hand it off. He's going to tell you everything you need to know about Samsung's micro LEDs.
So micro LED, what exactly is it? Well, we've had LEDs for some time now, and in conventional LED TVs, we pack hundreds of LEDs in here. In mini LEDs, you might see thousands. In a micro LED, we're talking millions of LEDs. Now, the coolest thing about all of those millions of LEDs, each one can turn itself on or turn itself off. So that means just like OLED TVs, you get perfect black levels. But unlike OLED TVs, you get brightness that is unmatched by any other display technology on the market today. So you're really getting the best of both worlds. Best brightness, the best black levels, the best shadow detail. Now, in addition, what we're doing that's really unique with micro LED is we back each individual pixel with 3 of those tiny LEDs. Each one of those LEDs is designed to individually control your red, your green, and your blue. So that means not only are we getting the incredible contrast, but the perfect color story as well. Now, we are super proud to be able to bring this technology to consumers in more ways than we've ever been able to before. In previous years, we offered one all-in-one screen size with the 110-inch format. Now we're excited to offer an 89-inch, a 101-inch, and the ever-exciting 114-inch micro LED. Now again, these TVs are truly for the consumer who wants the best of the best and never wants to have to worry about swapping out their TV again. This contrast technology is so far above and beyond your everyday consumer products that it's something you'll want to keep in your home as long as you have the house.
Yeah, absolutely. We've been a big fan of your video walls, micro LED walls for many years now, and it's exciting to see, like you said, just more options for the consumer. You're not locked into a size that may have not fit. So we couldn't have gone that route. So it's exciting to see more options from you guys. And I'm sure there's a lot more technology along the way towards CES. But, this is a great showing out here at CEDIA 2024. Thank you so much for breaking it down for us today. If you guys would like to learn more about micro LEDs from Samsung or anything home theater, video, or audio, we are expanding local markets all across the United States. If you are wanting that level of detail from your installation, design, and implementation, right here in the backyard of Colorado, we can take care of you with many territories to come. But if you are dead set, you know what you're looking for, feel free to visit our website, dreamediaav.com, where you can throw stuff in your cart and check out today. That's going to wrap it up for today's video. This is Kellen with Dreamedia, and we're out here in the Samsung booth at CEDIA 2024. We'll catch you in the next one.